This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Nora Rios. Nestled in the quaint area of Williamsburg, your new home awaits. The home provides a split floor plan, an abundance of natural light, and easy care tile throughout the common areas. The owner's suite includes vinyl plank flooring and a private sliding glass door to your outdoor living space, while the owner's updated bath boasts double sinks, a garden bath, and a separate shower. The chef in the household will appreciate the spacious countertops to whip up a meal and the stainless steel appliances, all while overlooking the eat and dining room and living space. The interior laundry room provides additional space in your garage. Relax on the screened lanai and overlooking the serene pond. Recent updates include a driveway replacement, updated secondary bath in 2018, roof in 2015, air conditioner, 2016, vinyl plank flooring along with a repipe, water heater, and owner's suite bath update, all completed in 2021. Deer Creek Village offers an array of community amenities, from a resort-style pool with a clubhouse along with 2 basketball courts, tennis courts, and playground. Just a short drive to everything Orlando has to offer: SeaWorld, Discovery Cove, International Drive, golf courses, and much more. For more information, review the details below or contact Nora Rios at 407-274-1174.